What's your last name? What's your last name?
It's Johnson. It's Johnson.
How are you today? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
Are you busy now? Are you busy now?
No, I'm free. No, I'm free.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
I love Frozen. I love Frozen.
Do you like school? Do you like school?
Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it.
Is your name short? Is your name short?
No, it's long. No, it's long.
Do you use a computer? Do you use a computer?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Are you shy? Are you shy?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher?
Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith.
What's your favorite app? What's your favorite app?
YouTube. YouTube.
Are you on Instagram? Are you on Instagram?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Do you use email? Do you use email?
Yes, for work. Yes, for work.
Is your birthday in May? Is your birthday in May?
No, in June. No, in June.
Do you like reading news? Do you like reading news?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you like surprises? Do you like surprises?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you love holidays? Do you love holidays?
Very much. Very much.
Are you bored? Are you bored?
No, I'm excited. No, I'm excited.
Can I call you now? Can I call you now?
Sure. Sure.
Is your phone new? Is your phone new?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you wear glasses? Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Do you use a fan? Do you use a fan?
Yes, in summer. Yes, in summer.
Is your room clean? Is your room clean?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Do you write with a pen? Do you write with a pen?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Is this your book? Is this your book?
No, it's hers. No, it's hers.
Is your bag heavy? Is your bag heavy?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you have a bike? Do you have a bike?
Yes, a red one. Yes, a red one.
Do you wear a watch? Do you wear a watch?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Is your door open? Is your door open?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you carry a wallet? Do you carry a wallet?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Do you have a key? Do you have a key?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Is your TV on? Is your TV on?
No, it's off. No, it's off.
Do you own a laptop? Do you own a laptop?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like your shoes? Do you like your shoes?
Yes, they're comfy. Yes, they're comfy.
Do you need a charger? Do you need a charger?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Is that your umbrella? Is that your umbrella?
No, it's his. No, it's his.
Do you read the newspaper? Do you read the newspaper?
Not often. Not often.
Do you use headphones? Do you use headphones?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
What day is today? What day is today?
It's Monday. It's Monday.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m.
Is today a holiday? Is today a holiday?
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 6 a.m. Yes, at 6 a.m.
Is your birthday soon? Is your birthday soon?
Yes, next week. Yes, next week.
Do you go out at night? Do you go out at night?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Is it morning now? Is it morning now?
Yes, just started. Yes, just started.
Do you like weekends? Do you like weekends?
Yes, I relax. Yes, I relax.
Is it lunchtime yet? Is it lunchtime yet?
Almost. Almost.
Do you sleep late? Do you sleep late?
On weekends. On weekends.
Do you use an alarm? Do you use an alarm?
Yes, on my phone. Yes, on my phone.
What month is it? What month is it?
It's July. It's July.
What year is it? What year is it?
It's 2025. It's 2025.
Is it New Year today? Is it New Year today?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
Do you celebrate birthdays? Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, with cake. Yes, with cake.
What time do you eat? What time do you eat?
At 1 p.m. At 1 p.m.
Do you take naps? Do you take naps?
Yes, short ones. Yes, short ones.
Is the clock correct? Is the clock correct?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you check the time often? Do you check the time often?
Yes, every hour. Yes, every hour.
Do you plan your day? Do you plan your day?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Is the sky blue? Is the sky blue?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do birds fly? Do birds fly?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Is grass green? Is grass green?
Yes, it's green. Yes, it's green.
Do trees give shade? Do trees give shade?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Is the sun hot? Is the sun hot?
Very hot. Very hot.
Do flowers smell nice? Do flowers smell nice?
Yes, usually. Yes, usually.
Can fish swim? Can fish swim?
Of course. Of course.
Is the moon bright? Is the moon bright?
Yes, at night. Yes, at night.
Do stars shine? Do stars shine?
Yes, in the sky. Yes, in the sky.
Do you like rainbows? Do you like rainbows?
I love them. I love them.
Do you plant trees? Do you plant trees?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Is water important? Is water important?
Very important. Very important.
Do you hear birds? Do you hear birds?
Yes, in the morning. Yes, in the morning.
Is it windy today? Is it windy today?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Do animals live in forests? Do animals live in forests?
Yes, many do. Yes, many do.
Is the ocean big? Is the ocean big?
Very big. Very big.
Do you like stars? Do you like stars?
Yes, at night. Yes, at night.
Is the earth round? Is the earth round?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Is the weather nice today? Is the weather nice today?
Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect.
Do you recycle? Do you recycle?
Yes, I try to. Yes, I try to.
Can you read this? Can you read this?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you clean your room? Do you clean your room?
Yes, weekly. Yes, weekly.
Can you open the door? Can you open the door?
Sure. Sure.
Do you write emails? Do you write emails?
Yes, daily. Yes, daily.
Can you sing well? Can you sing well?
Not really. Not really.
Do you laugh a lot? Do you laugh a lot?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Can you fix it? Can you fix it?
I'll try. I'll try.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Yes, football. Yes, football.
Do you run every day? Do you run every day?
No, only Sundays. No, only Sundays.
Do you take photos? Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone. Yes, with my phone.
Can you draw? Can you draw?
Just a little. Just a little.
Do you use a calculator? Do you use a calculator?
Yes, for math. Yes, for math.
Do you type fast? Do you type fast?
Yes, very fast. Yes, very fast.
Do you cook dinner? Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you travel often? Do you travel often?
No, not much. No, not much.
Do you water plants? Do you water plants?
Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning.
Can you lift that? Can you lift that?
It's too heavy. It's too heavy.
Do you dance well? Do you dance well?
I try my best. I try my best.
Do you help your mom? Do you help your mom?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Do you study English? Do you study English?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.